Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be about something really affordable, something really inexpensive. So you know what I'm talking about, the topic says so. So today's topic is about lipsticks, lippers that are below 50 rupees. Yes, you heard that right. So that's below 50 rupees, Indian rupees. So let's get started. First thing that I have is this ADS lipstick set, which costed me 250. Yeah, and these are a set of 12 lipsticks. They're not all lipsticks, these are lip glosses, which means they changed the color as per the pH. So very mild, very light, but they would give you a little tint of the color. These are four which are the eyeshadows, and these are, of course, all of them are lipsticks. So these are super affordable, super good, and they come in a packaging like this, which is easy to carry, travel friendly. Yeah, so this is how it is. And I'll show you the eyeshadows first, the four eyeshadows. I'll give you a swatch also so you could make out. So these are the ones, these four are the eyeshadows. Here you are. So you have a little golden, grayish, and you have black, and then you have white. So of course, this is how they are. This is the white one. You could also use it as a glitter or a highlighter. That was white. And then I have silver. These are super pigmented, super pigmented. And if the total is 250, so I'm sure by 12 would not be more than 50 bucks. This is copperish, or say copper color, or golden. Beautiful, yeah, beautiful color, and super pigmented. Just a single swap. I'll just show you. Oopsie, this you could also use it as a kajal. Yeah, for a smoky eye look, you could also use this. One single swatch and look at the pigmentation. So they are brilliant. And now I'll show you the okay, so these four are the magic lips. These are lip liners, yeah, so-called lip liners, and super pigmented again. So I'll give you a swatch. This is purplish, but the color is barely there, barely. And they smell chocolatey, that chocolate vanilla flavor. Okay, and then we have this yellowish, which is bare, totally bare, very light, very light. Yeah, that's how it is. And then we have orange. Look at the pigmentation, guys. Beautiful it is, beautiful. And then we have my favorite, which is pink. This is also super light. Yeah, this is also called magic lips. So I just love them. I mean, at this price, you couldn't ask for more. So that was about the eyeshadows and, of course, the magic lips. Now we would talk about the lipsticks. So I'll start one by one. These are 6 lipsticks. I hope you can see them. Here they are, tiny little babies. The size is, of course, extremely small. You cannot ask for more, of course. Um, but they're super pigmented. Now I'll give you a swatch of this pink color, light pink. Um, that's how it is. Beautiful it is. That was pink. Now I have red. I love this red. I seriously love this red. And of course, they also. No, this one is smelling like strawberry. Yes, it is. Okay, and then I have pink again, dark pink, which is a beautiful color. I have maroonish, if that's what you call it. Yeah, there's not much of a difference, but yes, there is. This is dark red. This is reddish. I mean, of course, red. We've got another pink. I'm painting my hand completely. This is now they're not matte. They claim to say they're matte. I got them from Amazon. They say they are matte, but no, they're not matte. They're creamy, and they give you that nice feel on your lips. Very light, of course, extremely light, not drying, and of course because they're not matte, so they will not be drying anyways. I'm using a lip balm. I mean, you have to use Vaseline or a lip balm and then apply them just to be on the safer side. Okay, and then we have something which is um, I love this pink color. I don't know what you call it, but this is nudish pink. Yeah, beautiful color it is. Beautiful color. Okay, and then I have another pink. This is a very light pink color, extremely a light baby pink color. Okay, so guys, these are a must try. There's nothing to lose. I mean, and you could always try if it really works for you. This is orangish. Yeah, this is orange, that tangy orange color. And the last but not the least, I have mauve color. It's mauvish. The colors are super pigmented, beautiful, beautiful. Now, ADS is not a local company. I mean, of course, you could call it a local company, but it's an Indian company. So because these guys do not, spend too much on advertisements, and they do not do too much on premium, so probably that is one reason the lipsticks are a little on the inexpensive side. So I'm gonna try. I'm not sure if I would really wear them very often, but yes, once in a while you could try them. I'm in love with them. I really like them. Okay, up next I have another set. Oops. Which is another ADS. So a friend of mine had recommended me, she said, why don't you try ADS? There is a beautiful range, a variety of lipsticks that are super, I would say inexpensive and worth trying. So nothing to lose. This is also, this was 345. I'm sorry, I've got a little bad throat. So this also I got from Amazon. I got both from Amazon, and this was for 345. The other one, like I said, was 250ish. So I really like these. I really like these. I'll show you the little swatch. Now, where would I show you the swatch? Now, the smell is super strong. The smell is really, really strong. They smell like the essence stick that you use in your temple. That's how they smell like. So I'd not like much. If I show you a swatch, this is that brown color, super pigmented and brown color. Mind my hand, don't mind my hands. They're a little dry. So that was brown. Now again, I'm sure 345 by 6 would mean something close to 50. Okay. And then I've got this pink. Yeah, of course, this is pink. This is how it is. Yeah, beautiful color, beautiful color. That was pink. And then I've got another pink. I'm so skinny, there's no flesh on my skin, on my hands. Yeah, this is another pink. Beautiful color. And super pigmented again. I mean, I think I'm becoming a fan of ADS. This is a red color. Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful color. Yeah, I just loved it. Except for the smell, I would give it a thumbs up. Just except for the smell. The smell is really strong, extremely strong. Oh, I'm sorry. No. I'm using my left hand to give you a swatch, so that's the reason it's going haywire. This is towards the nudish side, pinkish nudish. Yeah, another beautiful color, beautiful. Okay, and the last one is another brown, another shade of brown. There it is. Now these are matte. When they say matte, yes, these are matte, but these ones were not matte. So if you are looking for something matte, I would suggest don't go by what they claim. But you could always definitely try these ones. These are super matte, yes, and creamy too. So you would not be disappointed, say because they say matte and they have to be dry and patchy. No, they're not. They are super creamy, super pigmented, and I think worth your money. So do try them out and let me know if you really like them because I did. Okay, so guys, that's all from my end. Thank you very much for watching. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you did not like, please comment down. And what is it that you guys would want me to work on? And share a feedback. So see you soon next time. And until then, you take good care of yourself. Bye bye.